Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to enable the Bookmarks icon on Google Chrome. This feature allows you to access your favorite websites quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're already browsing the web, that's perfect. Just make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options that allow you to customize your browsing experience. Now, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on it to enter the Settings menu, where you can adjust many features of your Chrome browser. Once you're in the Settings, look for the Toolbar shortcut section. This is where you can manage how your bookmarks are displayed. Click on it to reveal more options. Here, you'll see a choice labeled Bookmarks. Select this option to enable the Bookmarks icon in your toolbar. By doing this, you'll have quick access to all your saved bookmarks right at your fingertips. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Bookmarks icon on Google Chrome. Now, whenever you want to save a website, simply click on the star icon in the address bar and add it to your bookmarks for easy access later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.